Sunny, what's up? What's up?
Yeah, I'm tryna win. Yeah, I'm tryna make it. Baby, just embrace it. You know I never chase it. Now we getting back to the basics. Money on my mind, yeah, money is a grind. Yeah, I'm tryna win. Yeah, I'm tryna make it. Baby, just embrace it. You know I never chase it. Now we getting back to the basics. Money on my mind, yeah, money is a grind. Back to the basics. Yeah, I'm coming with the shit. Yeah, I'm tryna make it. Yeah, I'm tryna get rich. I'm only on my fly shit, baby. I'm legit.
Well, you know, honestly, you got the perfect outfit on for this, girl.
Right?
Let me see that booty. Let me see that booty, though.
Hold on.
Okay.
They not ready. Oh, there goes Z.
Hey, girl.
Hey, boo.
Hey, you ready to make some money?
Money? No, we trying to make
I
that.
thought it was going to eat. What happened to the food?
Girl.
I came for the food.
Sunny wants to go live, and we're gonna go live on her account as we discussed.
Right.
That way she can get the money. She needs a little help.
Right.
Low key, I
But you
did
gotta
make
pay for our
$200.
food though, cause I made $500 last time, so we gonna get
I made
something.
$200 on my last live. I did
Damn. Okay.
But low key, they took like a lot. But that's for a whole nother conversation.
Oh, right, yeah, they do be taking their percentages. But you know what? I'd rather take something that had nothing. Plus, Uber been tripping. Like, I told you I ain't making enough money on there.
Yeah,
So,
you need to quit driving Uber anyway. It's not safe.
right.
bro.
Yeah, you're right. Well, let's go upstairs and get this money, though. I'm ready for this live.
Okay. No, for real, friend. At least to Lyft. Like, I'm gonna send you my code.
Okay.
Oh, this lighting is good.
Okay, y'all. It's time to make this money.
Hey.
Right?
How y'all look? Okay, y'all
How
look
we
good.
look?
You look
Okay.
cute.
Put on your wig.
Okay.
Oh, my bobby pins are
It's
out.
on?
Wow. Why didn't you tell me that?
Okay, no, I don't see none of you good.
Okay.
Cute.
Thank
You
you.
look cute. Braids popping. Titties popping. Okay, waist
Okay.
popping. Bring this money in. I'm about to press go.
Hey guys.
Hey.
It's your girl Champ.
And your girl Z.
And you already know what time it is. It's your girl Sunny, and we are tapping in with y'all just to get started and tell y'all what's been going on. Period.
.com.
Okay. And I wanted to just share with y'all. Y'all know I just released a song.
Hey, I'm trying to win.
Cute,
Hey, I'm trying to make it.
Hey,
Trying to make it.
Hey, I'm trying to make it.
Hey.
Period. Okay.
That's my jam.
That's my shit.
What that say? Oh my God! Thanks, guys. Y'all have been working out,
Right, she
right?
looks
She
good.
looks
Shake
cute.
it.
Hey,
Shake it.
damn.
Got the twerk.
Warmed up. Okay.
Practicing. I see you been practicing.
I'm so happy.
Okay.
Girl.
Anyways, y'all, you see Champion putting in that work.
Has been.
As she should. Okay, we've been in the gym getting it. Z on her new training tomorrow. with
That's
her.
right. I started boxing tomorrow.
Okay,
so I'm
see,
gonna
they
vlog
said
about
you
that.
looking good, girl.
Oh, thank
Okay.
you.
Z
You know,
looking
waist
fresh.
snatch.
Wait, snap. Look at them hips so popping.
Hey.
She
I've been eating my Wheaties, yo.
thick. She been eating her cornbread.
Hey.
Period.
And if you guys want, you guys can. Oh, what does that say?
What's Champ's at?
What's
My ad is
my ad is I am so sunny. Oh, but tell them. Go ahead. My bad, y'all. Y'all keep.
My ad is Danielle Champion, and on Instagram it's Watch Danielle. If y'all want to follow me there too.
Z, tell them yours.
Zero Horn Show. Tap in. Stop playing.
Stop
It's free
playing.
to subscribe, y'all.
Okay.
And if you guys want to support the movement, you can always send us some money on Cash App.
Okay,
Yes.
period.
What's Champ's Cash App? Oh, my Cash App is $.
My cash app is I am so sunny, $signs in the beginning, and an extra Y at the end. Now you can tell them.
And mine is just Zero Horn. So it's the
Mine
same.
is $ watching y'all, but yo, what is your issue?
But I don't have an
You're
issue,
looking like a
bro.
super hater right now.
Anyways.
Okay, what else they saying?
What they say? My bad, y'all. Y'all keep.
My ad is Danielle Champion, and on Instagram it's Watch Danielle. If y'all want to follow me there too.
Z, tell them yours.
Zero Horn Show. Tap in. Stop playing. It's
Stop
free
playing.
to subscribe, y'all.
Okay.
And if you guys want to support the movement, you can always send us some money on Cash App.
Okay,
Yes.
period. You can send it to I am so Sunny's cash app because
Right.
we're on Sunny's page. But I'm not no hater, so yeah.
And
You
Oh, it's
can.
another comment. What does it say?
what's Champ's Cash App? Oh, my Cash App is $.
My cash app is I am so sunny, $signs in the beginning, and an extra Y at the end. Now you can tell them.
And mine is just Zero Horn. So it's
See,
the
Mine
same.
is $ watching y'all, but yo, what is your issue?
But I
I'm
don't
like a
know,
super
bro.
hater right now.
Anyways.
Okay, what else they saying?
What they say? Champ look cute.
Thank you, baby.
Okay, she does
Z
look cute.
stinks. Oh.
Thank
Z's
you, boo.
thick.
I appreciate that.
Champ's
King
titties is
heels.
Champ look cute.
Thank you, baby.
Okay, she does
Z's
look cute.
thick. Oh,
Thank
Z's
you, boo.
thick.
I
Oh,
appreciate that.
Champ's
King
titties is
heels.
big.
Poppin', okay.
Thank you.
Sunny anywhere in there. Okay, I love you too.
It was one that said something about your cute hair. I
Oh,
saw it.
yeah.
It went
It
there.
was like back towards the beginning.
It was,
Right,
but
right.
it was definitely there.
Oh, you know what? I just kind of want a better close up.
Okay.
So,
let me.
anyways,
Yeah, y'all. So
y'all been so you know what? Make sure y'all keep tuning in
Are you serious?
and
Are you serious?
send my girl Champ some love, send Z some love, sign up. You already know what time it is, and we'll be tuning in next time. We trying to raise these money for these cameras. We're gonna bring out more dope stuff, and that's what it is.
We need $600, so please send us some money for these cameras and lights, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Champ, say bye. Bye, y'all. Peace. That face is priceless, bitch.
Stupid as hell.
Oh, shit. Hey.
I was having a good time.
Hey.
Hey.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay.
Hey.
Period. Where that nigga? Where you? Okay, so we're gonna walk in. We gotta be like.
Okay, so I just got here, right?
So we should all walk from over here. Come on, let's get it while we can.
Right. Yeah,
You
let's
guys
go.
remember, the goal is to stay close to this so that we can all be seen. All right, let's get it. Ready, go. Ready.
But see, we called Z. Remember, you pulling up. So me and her walk in.
And
I'm
then
like,
Z walks up.
And then
Gotcha.
you walk up. I'm like, hey, there goes Z. Walk coming up right now. So you walk up right after. Gotcha. Okay, let's go. No, I'm dead ass serious. I had a nigga chasing me and I had to drive backwards down the street so fast.
Are you serious?
Nigga, I almost hit 5 cars, like, and I like barely, I don't know, God was on my motherfucking side, cause that's how I learned I drive backwards so good. I can fly down the street backwards.
It goes back.
Ready? Okay. Oh, this lighting is good.
Okay, y'all.
It's time.